Ain't nobody fucking with this car.
On my mind, I got trust issues. If you ain't gang, I can't fuck with you. I know you see me pieced up, I got all kind of juice. When I'm sliding through the mud, I gotta keep my tools. Too much on my mind, I got trust issues. If you ain't gang, I can't fuck with you. I know you see me.
First code start with the burble tune, y'all. Let's see how she sound. Uh-oh. That didn't last. Hold on. Maybe, damn. Napkins done failed and shit. Deal, man. I got my nigga Jazz in the car, you feel me? He finna get his first little reaction. He don't know what's going on or what's about to go on. I just told him to get up.
Damn, nigga, it's early in the morning.
Early in the morning, what time is it? 8:03 and we up early. Probably finna go to jail, I don't know.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
We out here. My bad, we had technical difficulties. I gotta go back to the wrap shop right now, you feel me? We gotta do some touches, you know? Everything ain't perfect. If we're gonna get it perfect, don't mind the glasses, y'all. I'm trying to look like RJ. I mean, Ray J. Should I take it the long way? Should I just go down Sunny and Heacock? Nah, Heacock, I don't fly. I'm fucking with Heacock right now.
It don't matter. We gonna get there quick regardless. It's small out here.
That nigga said, no, you just big out here. That nigga said, look, we security. We ain't none of that 911 most wanted that you be watching. Damn, I'm scraping.
The car that low?
No, you just that big.
Oh, come on, man.
They don't scrape with me in the car. So
Can't help it, YouTube. You know what I'm saying?
as soon as I get Jay, he put a little extra move. You feel me? So don't mind if I race with him in the car.
It's fucking pandemic. I'm trying to lose some weight. You know what I'm saying?
How you like the ride, man? Like it?
It's cool, bro.
Feel a little normal to you?
Yeah.
Feel a little normal to you? Jazz like that pop though. Let me do that pop for him real quick. Jazz like that pop. You like that pop, Jazz? Let me see if I can get you one. How you doing? You in that pop? Let me see. It ain't working today.
Hey, I'm glad.
Got him! Got him!
Little cross guard over there for the schools doing his little crossword puzzle. He would have fell out his chair, YouTube.
He said YouTube. He just said he glad it didn't do it. Watch his face expression right now.
That's 517 in the United States. Ain't nobody fucking with this car. You think so? Try. I got some bands. Come out here. Ain't nobody's 5.7 like this. Niggas got 392 sound whack. Young nigga, we throw a dance car over this bitch. You hear it screaming.
You hear that motherfucker, Jazz?
That motherfucker. Blow it out your ass. cats ain't even screaming like this. Y'all niggas gotta do a full straight pipe. Hey, you hear that shit blowing? This nigga ate some beans.
He ate some beans
screaming.
Y'all see his reaction, man? I gotta get a couple more.
It ain't no pop-pop. Nigga, we doing 20 miles per hour. Look, she got scared like niggas is doing drive-bys, nigga. She got scared like, what the fuck? Do I need a duck and roll?
Do I need a duck and roll?
She's shaking her head. I was just trying to get some donuts.
All right, y'all. I made it to the wrap shop, man. I'm gonna cut the camera back on when I get in the car. I post this on the vlog, boy. You know how many people gonna be on my head? Why you go through the car wash? You're stupid. You're dumb. You're gonna have scratches in your car, dude. Give a fuck. Y'all gonna come wash my car for me then? Fuck. That time to sit out there, my hand broke. I almost got copyright right now. Come wash my car, bro. You're stupid. Rev it?
You hear it, bro?
I got you. See?
Turn the window down, man.
He too wet.
He like that.
You like that?
Yeah, he like that.
See? When y'all talking about don't go through the car wash. Boy, he finna follow me on Instagram for that shit. What do you do?
He said, He said, He said,
That's what he did?
yeah.
That's crazy.
He laughed at
He laughed at us? He like that.
Look at your car. It's
I
black.
know. I shouldn't vlog this. They gonna unsubscribe and all types of weird shit.
Get up. Get up.
Look at that hardest hit in your car, bro. Your fucking rap's gonna be fucked up. If the mirror wasn't dirty, you'd see how clean. Oh, you can see through the back though. See how clean that bitch is? Oh, y'all talking about don't go to the car wash. Y'all crazy, Carionio? You're crazy.
No.
What, man?
He's not even here.
TT over there cleaning her car.
Where? Where? Oh, I see her.
I want to take an old person on the ride. That's gonna be the funniest video ever. Look at her car. Look at her. She's in her shit clean, clean, clean. Clean like John Dean's. Look at that bitch. Y'all say don't come to the car wash. This shit, it looks better than what I would've did. Man, I drive the back and shit. I need to put my other diffuser on. Look at this shit. That is not right, bro. I don't like that. I'm gonna tell your daddy.